Josh's Snack and Candy Reviews here of Big Chewy Chips Ahoy Chocolatey Caramel. Let's give this a try. I also have two other flavors, but I just got this today. I'll try the other flavors sometime. Got some caramel. It always does that, every time. Some caramel. Chips here with chocolate chips as well. This is new. I guess they released a jumbo pack at Sam's Club, but it's pretty cool that they have the single pack, so you don't have to buy a whole entire jumbo pack if you don't feel like eating all the cookies. This isn't the biggest cookie I ever had. It's actually kind of smaller than a lot of the jumbo cookies that I'm used to, such as the Prairie Farms or whatever they call it, Prairie City cookies that I've had before. Those are about a lot bigger than this, so I want to say this is the most jumbo cookie, big cookie ever. However, it is pretty big compared to other Chips Ahoy cookies like the regular Chips Ahoy cookies, but it's not the biggest cookie that I've ever had. Still, I would give this a 7 out of 10.